Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out of Outlook on PC. If you're using Outlook on your computer and want to sign out of your account, this process is simple once you know where to look. In many versions of Outlook on PC, logging out is handled by removing the account from the app rather than using a traditional sign out button, so this walkthrough will help you find the right option without confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your PC. Give it a moment to fully load so all menus and account options are visible. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click on Settings. This is where Outlook stores many of the app's general preferences and account controls. After opening Settings, click on Account. This section is where you can view the accounts currently connected to Outlook. If you use more than one email address, take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Next, click on your account from the list. This opens the details for that specific email account and gives you more options for managing how it works inside Outlook. Once you're in the account view, look for the Manage option shown under your email address and click on it. From there, scroll down through the available settings until you find the option labeled Remove Account. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may appear near the bottom of the page, so continue scrolling carefully until it becomes visible. When you find it, click Remove. Outlook may show a confirmation message or an additional prompt on screen. Follow the on-screen procedure to complete the logout process. This is the final step that disconnects the account from the Outlook app on your PC. As a quick tip, removing the account from Outlook signs it out of the app, but it does not delete the email account itself. Your messages, contacts, and calendar information will still exist on the email service unless you choose to delete them separately somewhere else. Also, if this is a shared computer, logging out helps protect your privacy and prevents other users from accessing your inbox. If Outlook asks you to confirm more than once, read each prompt carefully before proceeding, especially if multiple accounts are connected. Once the process is complete, your account will no longer be active in the Outlook desktop app. That's all you need to do to log out of Outlook on your PC.